to my Brilliant Squad? It is your girl Bree and I am back with another freaking video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. But if you're already a part of the Brilliant gang, thank you so much for tuning in for another freaking video. I know y'all see the title, I know y'all see that thumbnail, so you already know what's popping off, you guys. I promised y'all a cooking video. I told y'all that I had a surprise little video, and it's gonna be like bringing hibachi in the house. Now, I'm pretty sure people have done this type of video before. Now look, my rice and stuff is gonna be, kind of like a remix, because y'all already know I do things a little bit differently when I cook for most folks. And y'all know I put rotel and everything, but I'm not gonna put rotel in it today, so don't come for me, okay? But I am gonna make the rice. We're gonna do some chicken, like some chicken tenderloin breast, and we're gonna do some shrimp, okay? And my rice, like I said, I'm gonna do it kind of different, you guys. I'm not gonna do all the veggies and stuff. Still gonna have eggs, but we're only gonna use onions, and we're going to use some cut up diced jalapenos. And of course, I have some seasoning for my shrimp fried rice. But you guys, we're gonna jump into the video. If you guys have ever done hibachi at home, drop down in the comments and let me know how it went for y'all. This is my first time even using my griddle, okay? I have the box over there, but if you watched my grocery haul video, then you know I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's supposed to be non-stick, it's supposed to be the bomb, it was on sale, so Tisha bought it for me, so that's where I got mine from. But I'm sure Walmart has one for like 20 bucks or something. So I have all my seasonings over here, you guys. I have some soy sauce, of course, for my rice. I got the shrimp fried rice packet, which I saw in my grocery haul. I have some kicking chicken over here, some chili powder, some cayenne pepper, some Cajun seasoning, onion powder, Old Bay for the shrimp. I have black pepper. Like I said, I have the diced jalapeno peppers. I have some butter. And I know y'all be coming for me when I use forks on this type of stuff. So I have a silicone spatula, I have a wooden spatula, and I know this ain't silicone or wood, but I have my tongs because these are always come in handy. And if I didn't say butter, I have butter. My onions, okay, that Tisha chopped up. I have eggs, and I did already make me some rice. Now, if you guys don't know, if this is your first time watching, I use minute rice. I don't like the whole thing of waiting on rice to get done, so I do cook minute rice, which this one is 2 cups of rice and 2 cups of water, and you put it in the microwave for 8 minutes, and it's fluffy just like you cooked it on the stove, okay? So that's what we got. And last but not least, I do have my wine, and I do have my chicken and shrimp sitting back here. So we're gonna go ahead and hop into it, okay? So we're gonna take a sip first, y'all. Cause they don't tell me how this gonna go. So I do wanna go ahead and I wanna see how hot it is. It seems like it got pretty hot, pretty fast. I put it on 1 first, but it seemed like it had got even hotter than that. Look, y'all. Now I have it on setting 3, and it goes up to 5. So I want to rub the whole thing down and coat it. Ooh, that butter smells good. I don't even like butter like that, y'all. This is what's up. I think I'm gonna enjoy this thing. Okay, so y'all know I don't know what I'm doing for real. Okay. Because I'm gonna try to cook the stuff in order to what cooks the fastest, and since my rice is already kind of like done, I don't want to put that on there first. I've seen most people put that on there first, but I don't want to. So some kicking chicken, this is some cayenne. Y'all, if y'all hear Sparkle footsteps, she right here in front of me. Cause she smells this food, y'all. Sparkle thinks she's supposed to eat everything that we eat. And then some chili powder. Yes, if you're new, then you don't know that I love my seasonings. So if y'all cook it a certain way, let me know down below so I can try it that way. I just kind of go with the flow on my seasonings. And that was the onion powder. I'm gonna do some of this Cajun that I picked up. And this one I'm new to, so we're gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna turn them over. I should have did all this before because This shit gonna burn. Alright, so we're gonna put some of the meat. I like this, y'all. I love new cooking stuff. Oh yeah. Walk with the fan. That's all the chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rice over here. Should I not, y'all? I don't know. We just gonna go with the flow. Put some onions right here. Y'all know I don't know what I'm doing. My first time even thinking about making any type of hibachi at home. Ooh, y'all. I like this. This is awesome. I love the way it cooks, y'all. Oh my goodness. And I had an inside grill thing, but I don't have it anymore. So I guess this is kind of like that. That one was more like a grill though, and it was for inside and outside. Y'all. I wish I could smell this. It's like the bomb. So let me break the egg. I'm going to go ahead and do my egg, so once it cooks, then I'm going to put the rice on top of it. I think I'm going to go ahead and do that. Ooh. I'm going to go ahead and break the egg. Ooh, yeah. Oh, I'll go towards my onions now. These onions got my nose right now. I love me a good fried egg. And it's non-stick. Some stuff say it's non-stick, but then it don't really be. So y'all, little meal tonight, y'all. That's on my little onion thing. Check on these. Come back over again. It's gonna be good, y'all. Y'all don't have one of these, I need to get one. I'm probably the only one behind. I've been wanting one for a long time. And people have to go ahead and get it for me. I'm just the kind of person, like, I always be like, oh, I cook it on the stove, like, what I need to buy it for? You know, like, kind of like, not wanting to waste money. Move that up there. Okay. We're gonna do some rice. I don't even want to use the fork no more. This cooking video is gonna be a little bit more raw than my other ones. My other ones, you know, I make them all cute, changing the angle. I'm not doing that in this one. Ooh-wee. honey. Okay. I know I'm not supposed to use this, y'all, but I gotta put the egg in with this. This is gonna be so freaking good. You don't see what people do. And I don't even know if y'all can see how bad I'm putting this a little hot. It get hot in my apartment anyway. This is the pack it up for the shrimp fried rice, the seasoning that I got from Walmart. So I'm not gonna put the whole thing. I'm gonna put some soy sauce on it. And I kind of want to go ahead and mix the onions in with this too. Y'all don't see them coming up, getting me. Yeah, we're gonna mix this all together. That is my first time, but we're gonna get it cracking. Use both of these. Kind of top it up. Ooh, y'all. Now, y'all, I don't know if y'all know this, but I love cayenne, so I'm gonna put some on this rice. These are cooking so well, so I need to put some shrimp on here. Y'all, I'm just gonna put some of this Cajun seasoning on my shrimp and some of the Old Bay. And I'll never put too much on shrimp. I'm gonna put those in there. I'm trying to get them down as flat as I can since I got so much going on. And y'all, I almost forgot my jalapeno, so let me go and put some on here. I can't even express to y'all how good I think this is to me. Just because I made it kind of my own way. And I never like follow a recipe how somebody else does it. I never do. Let me know, do y'all ever just like try to like go with the flow and try to make your own stuff? Because that's the best way to me. Now I just tasted my rice and stuff and I feel like I need a little bit more seasoning. Just because we love our food like with some spice for real. And I know y'all gonna be like, Bree, you put jalapenos, yeah. But we like the spicy. I don't know what to tell y'all. man, y'all so keep walking right here. I actually like cooking on this. I like this. Move this stuff over some. Get this off. I'm supposed to be using this for my meat, y'all. And this thing, it cooks pretty evenly. And then it's kind of like once it's done, almost like it don't cook as hot as it would. I don't know. But it's not burning it. I was watching videos on people doing hibachi and I was like, why it ain't burning the foot that they sitting aside? And I don't know what it is, but none of it burns. It's almost like the thing cool down or something once the food is done cooking. I don't know. It's weird. Put some black pepper on my shrimp. That's what I did forget. I love black pepper. And then put some cayenne on them. I don't think. I don't remember. So we're gonna put some on. I'm just flipping my shrimp. Everything looks so good, y'all. Like, seriously. It's real hot up in here. But I like the way it's coming out. I like the way everything's coming out. I really, really do. Ooh, I'm gonna put this wine on. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to put this all on this really big platter because Keisha and I are, of course, about to eat. And I just want to put it on one big thing instead of wasting dishes. Even though Keisha washes dishes. I don't wash dishes, but I just want to put them on a shared platter. Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like on this platter. Like, you can't tell me this don't look good. Like, it really did. Alright, y'all, now I just tasted one of these shrimp, and let me tell you, they the bomb, okay? And I know the light's kind of off right here because one of my lights went out in the kitchen, and my ring light over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. You guys, go ahead and get this video to 10 likes so I can drop the mukbang of Tisha trying the food. And of course, I'm gonna try the food, but you know what I mean, nothing unless Tisha like it. So that's what we're about to do for you guys. So go ahead and get this video to 10 likes and I will drop that mukbang so y'all can see Tisha's initial reaction to this hibachi, because y'all know I ain't no pro with this. This was my first time. So like I said, if you guys have any tips on cooking on the griddle at home, even if it's about something else, not just hibachi, like drop it down below and let me tell. I can't talk. Drop it down below so that I can try it, y'all, because this is my first griddle and I'm probably gonna be cooking on this a lot, so I might need some tips on what number to cook it on and stuff like that. Mine has 5 settings, so hook your girl up, you know, give me the tea on cooking on the griddle, okay? Make sure to check out my merch and I will have the link in the description down below. Love you guys so much. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next freaking video. Bye.